If you wouldn't mind telling me a little bit more about the quality of divine spirit and what that means, how that can benefit a person.
The divine spirit it's like the spirit of your essence, which is God. Like without being religious, is the divine spirit is that higher spirit. Like the spirit of the great ancient one. That when that spirit goes into anything, it comes alive. It has spirit. Actually, you can actually see it in the human being. Like when that divine spirit is not so, it's not so suppressed. The people that glow up, there's a glow. When that divine spirit is suppressed, is blocked, by veils and fear and stuff like that. So people don't glow as much. The divine spirit is that. It makes you spirited. It gives you like oomph. It gives you like energy, It gives you spark. It gives you energy, inspiration. And you need that. You need that to kind of look forward to life. And actually to keep you happy. Keep all your whole body and organs and your mind peaceful and, your whole body healthy. You need that.